I strained the spinach with a strainer to remove some of the liquid. Good morning. So here I have my spinach that was cooked with onion and garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, and our mushrooms. Now, you could either go without the cheese, or you can just use the spinach and mushroom for your pie. Take out any puff pastry sheets that you have.
Butter your pie dish.
Put like 3 huge tablespoons of ricotta cheese. I'm going to add some fresh parmesan cheese, about a handful. We're going to cut these anyway. It will look sort of like a Borekas mixture. So we've cut our French pastry. You could use filo dough too. This is puff pastry, sort of like French pastry. We're going to cut it into small pieces and lay it on our pan. Just break pieces. Now I've done this before using pizza dough, which is sort of like my Italian bread recipe, where I would just lay it out in a circle and add the spinach or any veggies your choice, and then I would cover it again with the bread dough or pizza dough, sort of like a stromboli that we used to make in our pizza place in Philadelphia. Borekas pie can be on a circle pan, or it could be on your baking pan.
Thank you for joining me.